properties of a circle. The straight line drawn from the center of a circle to bisect a chord which is not a diameter is perpendicular to the chord. The straight line drawn from center O to bisect this chord AB, which is not a diameter, then this line is going to be perpendicular to this chord. The straight line drawn from the center of a circle to bisect a chord which is not a diameter is perpendicular to the chord. OL bisects AB, therefore OL is perpendicular. The perpendicular to this chord AB from the center of a circle bisects chord. Whenever we draw a perpendicular to a chord, that is going to bisect the chord AB. The perpendicular to a chord from the center of a circle bisects the chord. OL is perpendicular, therefore OL bisects AB. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the circle. AB and CD are chords or equal chords, therefore they are equidistant from the center. Whenever the two chords are equal, they are going to be equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Chord AB is equal to chord CD, therefore OL is equal to OM. Chords of a circle that are equidistant from the center of the circle are equal. These two chords are equidistant from the center, therefore AB is equal to CD. Chords of a circle that are equidistant from the center of the circle are equal. OL is equal to OM, therefore AB is equal to CD. A chord of length 30 centimeters is drawn in a circle of radius 17 centimeters. Find its distance from the center of the circle. The length of the chord AB is 30 centimeters. The radius of this circle is 17 centimeters. We need to find out the distance between the center and the chord. Draw OL perpendicular to AB, OL perpendicular to AB, join OA. Because this is perpendicular, this is a right angle triangle. Therefore, OL square is equal to OA square minus AL square. OL is equal to square root of OA square minus AL square. OA is radius that has been given as 17 and AL is half of AB. AB is 30. Half of AB is 15, that is 17 square minus 15 square, that is square root of 64, that is OL is equal to 8 centimeters. The distance between the center and the chord is 8 centimeters. We have to use the Pythagoras theorem here because this divides this. When we draw a perpendicular line to a chord, that is going to divide that chord. Therefore, OAL is equal to AB divided by 2. AB divided by 2 is 15. Then rest we can use as a Pythagoras theorem. The center of a circle of radius 13 centimeters is the point 36. The center has got 36. The radius is 13 centimeters. And P is a point, P79 is a point inside the circle. APB is a chord of the circle such that AP is equal to PB. Calculate the length AB. We need to calculate this length AB. they have given the radius, they have given the points of center and the point of P. So then we have to use the distance formula to find out this OP, and we have to use the Pythagoras theorem for this. Then we have to use 2 times of this will give the AB. Distance formula we have OP is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, that is square root of 7 minus 3 whole square plus 9 minus 6 whole square, that will become 4 square plus 3 square under root sign, that is equal to square root of 25. Therefore OP will become 5 centimeters. This OP is 5 centimeters. Radius they given it as 13. So we can use it Pythagoras theorem to find out AP. So we have found out OP by using the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square under root sign. We get OP. OP is equal to 5 centimeters. OA they given radius as 5 centimeters, 13 centimeters. Then we can find out AP. OA square is equal to AP square plus OP square. Therefore AP is equal to square root of OA square minus OP square. OA square is 13 square, OP square is 5 square, 13 square is 169 and OP square is 25. So after calculations we got OP is equal to square root of 144, that is equal to 12 centimeters. AP we got it as 12 centimeters, but AB is equal to twice of AP, that is equal to 12 into 2. We got AB is equal to 24 centimeters. We have to use the distance formula to find out OP. Because this is a right angle triangle, we have to use the Pythagoras theorem to find out AP. Once we find out AP, 2 times AP will give AB. To find out AB, 2 times AP. Diameter CD. Here the CD is the diameter of a circle with center O is perpendicular to the chord AB. The diameter is perpendicular to the chord AB. If AB is equal to 12 centimeters and C is equal to 3 centimeters, find the radius of a circle. Here they given this CD is a diameter, AB is a chord. This diameter is perpendicular to this chord AB. AB they given it as 12 centimeters and CE they are given it as 3 centimeters. What is the radius? OA. So we can find out OA by using Pythagoras theorem. OA square is equal to AE square plus OE square. This OA is the radius. OC is also radius. AB they given it as 12 centimeters. Therefore AE will become 6 centimeters. OE is equal to R minus 3 will give OE. R, this is radius, minus this part, that is 3 centimeters, will give OE. Therefore OA square is R square equals AE square, that is 6 square, plus R minus 3 whole square will give the OA square. OA is equal to square root of AE square plus OE square, or OA square, that is the radius square, is equal to, when you can take out this square root, AE square is 6 square, that is AE is AB divided by 2 plus R minus 3 whole square, this is R square, 6 square is 36, R minus 3 whole square is R square minus 6R plus 9, R square will get cancelled, 6R is equal to 45, therefore R is equal to 7.5 centimeters. AB and CD are two parallel chords of a circle. AB and CD are two parallel. AB is parallel to CD of length 20 centimeters and 10 centimeters. AB is 24 centimeters. AB is 24 centimeters. CD is 10 centimeters. And lie on the same side of the center of its center. They are lying on the same side after the center. After this center, they are lying on the same side. If the distance between the chords is 7 centimeters, if the distance between chord AB and this is 7 centimeters, then what is the radius of the circle? AB and CD are two parallel chords, lie on the same side from the center of the circle. The chord length of AB is 24 centimeters, that of CD is 10 centimeters. The distance between the chords, between the two chords is 7 centimeters. We need to find out R is equal to what. So join OA, join OC. From these two, there are two triangles here, right angle triangles. OAL, we get one R square here. In this triangle OCM, we get R square. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out R square. We get two equations. Equate this R square with this R square. For this, take this OL length as X. Then this length will become X plus 7. This is X, this 7. We need for Pythagoras theorem, this we have taken it as X. This is going to be X plus 7. This AL is equal to half of AB. AB is 24. Half of AB is 12 centimeters. CM is half of CD. CD is 10. Therefore, CM is equal to 5 centimeters. So we have two right angle triangles here. For them, the radius is same for both the triangles, that be OA is equal to OC. We get equation R square here, R square here. If we equate these two equations, we get the value of X. Then substitute that X in one of these equations. Then we get the value of radius R. In this first triangle, R square is equal to 12 square plus X square. R square is equal to 12 square plus X square. In the second triangle, R square is equal to, this is 5 square plus X plus 7 whole square. R square is equal to 5 square plus X plus 7 whole square. So then we can equate this R square with this R square. That is equal to 12 square plus X square is equal to 5 square plus X plus 7 whole square. So after calculations, we got X is equal to 5. Substituting the value of X in this equation, R square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. We get R is equal to 13 centimeters. AB and CD are two parallel chords of a circle such that AB is equal to 10 centimeters and CD is equal to 24 centimeters. If the chords are on the opposite sides of the center, the chords are there in the opposite sides of this center, and the distance between them is 17 centimeters. Distance between this chord and this chord is 17 centimeters. Find the radius of the circle. These are two chords. AB is equal to 10 centimeters. CD is equal to 24 centimeters. They are on the opposite sides of the center O, and distance between them is 17 centimeters. We need to find out the radius. Join OC, that is equal to R, that is R radius, and join OA, that is radius. So we get two rectangle triangles. Here also we use the Pythagoras theorem. R square, using this R square we get one equation here. Using this R square we get one equation here. Equate these two equations, then we get the value of x. So keep OL as x. Therefore, this will become 17 minus x. This whole length is 17. If you deduct this x from this, we get this length. Use this, and AL is equal to half of AB. AB is 10 centimeters. This is equal to 5 centimeters. CD is 24 centimeters. Half of this is 12 centimeters. So we get R square is equal to 12 square plus 17 minus x whole square. R square is equal to, this is 5 square plus x square. Equate these two equations, that is x square plus 5, that is 25, is equal to 17 minus x whole square plus 12 square. From that we get 34x is equal to 408, or x is equal to 12. By solving these two equations we got x is equal to 12. Substitute that value of x in this equation, that R square is equal to x square plus 5 square. X is 12, 12 square plus 5 square, that is equal to 144 plus 25. From that we got R is equal to 13 centimeters. So we need to find out two equations and equate these two. They are given the length of the distance between these two is 17. Keep this as x, then this length will become 17 minus x. Use the Pythagoras theorem for both the triangles, then equate the R square is equal to R square equations. Find using those two equations x and substitute the value of x in one of these equations. Then you can find out the radius of a circle. Triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC is equal to 10 centimeters and BC is equal to 12 centimeters has been inscribed in a circle. Find the radius of the circle. They are given AB is equal to AC is equal to 10 centimeters. BC they are given as 12 centimeters. So we need to find out the radius of the circle. To find out the radius of the circle, we need this length. For this length, we need to calculate this length. So by using this is a right angle triangle, we can find out the value of AL by using the Pythagoras theorem. Because we know this length, this length is equal to half of BC. This is 6 centimeters, this is 10 centimeters. We can find out AL. AL is equal to square root of 10 square minus 6 square, that is equal to 8 centimeters. This is going to be 8 centimeters. This length is equal to, this total length is 8 centimeters, but from OA is a radius of a circle. OA is the radius of a circle. We know that AL, just now we found out AL is equal to 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters minus this radius will give this length. By finding, once we know this and know this, we can find out R. R square is equal to, this R square is equal to this BL square. BL is half of BC. BC is 12 centimeters. 6 square plus OL square. OL is 8 minus R. 8 minus R whole square. Therefore, R square is equal to 6 square plus 8 minus R whole square. When you expand it, 8 minus R whole square, we get R square plus 64 minus 16R. There is left hand side there is R square, and right hand side there is R square. R square will get cancelled with R square. Then we get 16R is equal to 100. Therefore, the radius of this circle is equal to 6.25. So first we have to find out this AL, because we need this length. We found out this AL as 8 centimeters, and this length is equal to 8 centimeters minus this radius. So R square is equal to BL square plus OL square. after calculations we got r is equal to 6.25 centimeters.